So, today in rehearsing, it's been really interesting to watch, to see how they directed the lights, and it's amazing how much detail has to go into every little thing.
Have you been in a theatre before where you've watched like professional theatre makers working?
Not really.
No. So what do you reckon? You reckon you want to be a performer or a theatre maker now?
If this hasn't scared me out of it, but
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, there's been heaps of acting and improvisation that I've got to see, and yeah.
And you got to direct a bit too.
Yeah, I got to help out a bit, so
Yeah.
it's been really fun.